All right, on this slide, we are going to go ahead and combine our like terms and simplify our expression. This way, we know we have the concept for this lesson. So I'm going to click on this box here. Each of them have a text box that you can click on to write your answer. I'm going to look at this. I have 10a minus 6a. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract these two numbers. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then I'm just going to bring down my variable, which is a. That's my simplified expression for this one right here. When I go over here, I have 4b plus 2 minus 2b. So what I need to do is I need to identify what my expressions are, or what my terms are that I am trying to combine. So I'm just going to circle them so you can see them. So I have this term, and I also have negative 2b. Remember, the sign follows or stays with the term. So I have 4b, which is a positive 4b because there's no sign in front of it. If there's no sign in front of a number, we know it's positive. So I have 4b, and then I'm going to minus 2b. That's going to give me 2 because 4 minus 2 is 2. And then I'm going to bring down my b. Now I just have this positive 2 or plus 2 that I'm just going to add right there. And that's the simplified expression for this expression here. I'm now going to take these and copy and paste them so I can show you the different things that I need to combine over here. So I have 2x plus 4y minus 2x plus 2y. So the first thing I'm going to combine, since I circled them, are my 2x minus 2x. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So I don't have an x anymore. So now they canceled each other out because that's what we would call a zero pair. When you have a positive and a negative, they're exactly the same amount. They zero out. So that would be 0. I don't even have to write 0 down here. They just cancel each other out. So I have positive 4y minus 2y. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. And then I just bring down my variable. So that's actually my simplified expression for this one right here. Kind of fun, huh? All right, so now I'm going to copy and paste these circles so you can see this. You do not have to circle yours unless you would like. It's not a requirement. I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing, so that way you have a better understanding of what we're asking you to do here. All right, so now I have 10m plus 3m. That equals 13m. And then I have 10 minus 5. So I have plus 5 because 10 minus 5 equals 5. And that would be my simplified expression for this expression right here. This is what you're going to be doing for the rest of the slides. You're going to be combining your like terms.